Hi friends, we are standing here to debate on a topic, and the topic is which family is better, joint family or separate family? So let's start. I am thinking that joint family is better than separate family. How do you think that separate family is better?
I think separate family is very better than joint family because we have a less number of people and we have a few responsibility and if we have a few responsibility, we have a time to do our own work. And joint family, we have fulfilled their own wishes, and many people are quarreling. That's why we are not fulfill our dreams, our wishes, and not thinking about own self.
But I think joint family has more members, so we have knowledge about so many members, their dislike, likes, their favorite things, or etc. thing. And if we live in joint family, we have also support of so many members. And we and joint family, there are love, care, and supportive family. And I am also living in a joint family, and they are very supportive. And you talking about study, we should also study in joint family.
I think you may be right, but uh, I have also seen in a many joint family they are always quarreling, and one people earning money, and and all the peoples are it their on the on basis of on money. And in a separate family, we spending those money we which earn from me, and some money saved from our future. But in joint family we can't save any money to for future. And
This
for
is
for
this is
study, I think separation is the best, isolation is the best for study. That's why I think a separate family is the very best for study.
this is not at all. In joint family, also all members earn money, and they also spend money on their family. And in joint family, if you are a separate family and you are earning, then you are also only people which are earn and spend family on your house. But if you are in a joint family, there are four brothers and they earn money, and that's why their home is very big. They also do so many other things like business and other things in joint family. And in a joint family, if you have any problem, then all members help you.
In a joint family, I think you may be right if you say ki all four brothers are earning. But I see in many cases not four brothers are earning, but there only one brother earning, and they spend their all the money on of them. But after that, they all the brothers are earning. They are separate their family, and they are take care their own family. And I think those person who take care all the families, and his children and his wife are not good, and he not take care proper health, medicine, and knowledge. But those brothers who take care their own family and on personal life, they are very happy, and they are very knowledgeable. They meet different type of people. They have a time to spend their families, and their children have also good education, good health, and all the good behaviors and manners.
But I saw so many joint family which living very happily. There are a family in my village. There are 42 members in a family, and they are living very good. And their students are also very success, and their children are also doing very well work.
I also seen in a separate family, when they were a joint family, they are not happy, always quarreling, and always quarreling for eating, for food or other type of resources. But they are separate, they are very happy, and they are developed when they are now developing
if
at
you
that time.
if you're living in a separate family, you didn't know how to live with new peoples, and you shouldn't know that how to live with so many peoples and how to adjust in a family. Because you are knowing that you are only one, and you cannot know how to. And if you are in a problem or you are fall ill, you want to meet new peoples, and that's why you are being falling ill. Many people are gone in depression. And if you live in joint family, there are love, there are care, there are support, and so many in joint family there are so many foods cooking in a one time, and that's will very happily living in their home.
I think you are wrong for this country, because in a joint family, not all the person are together. If one person are ill, then all the person busy their own life. They not think you are ill, or what are you doing their own life. But in a separate family, we took care their own self. Nobody interfere my life. That's why less cases we are ill, or we are get a depression, because we are live their own lifestyle, and we have thinking about own self. Then how can you say ki in a separate family we go, those person living in a separate family, they go in a depression?
Because I saw many separate family. If they are falling ill, they come in joint family. There are so many people living in cities and their family in a village. They fall ill, they come in a village for joint family, because doctor suggest him to live in among the person people, and they have to talk so many persons. And in a joint family, I saw many times in my village there are a joint family, and their brother is caused by an accident, and they all brothers take care of him, and more, and doctors say that he will be
क्या बोलना चाहते हैं?
he will be recover in just 1 or 2 months, but by the take care of her brothers and her family, he got recover in 1 month.
I think in this case you are right, but I have already seen in many type of cases which happen in same, and nobody come to take care him, and they are they live in a joint family, and one a body came for 1 day, and after that they are not take care proper them, and they think I have seen also many cases which happen in the same person have accident, but nobody take care him. They think they are injured. Their wife and their children take care him. Why are going them? Why are going near to them? We are also have a personal life and also have a job. That's why we can't destroy our personal life, our job, to care someone.
I don't think that all person is like that. There may be an exception, because there are mostly people I see in joint family. They live very happily, and they also take care and lead family with very happily.
I think you have seen, but I have also seen a separate family. They are very happy and they are very enjoyed. I take care of my mother. She live in a joint family, but nowadays she very happy. She's suffering from She have a very type of mental harassment, and nowadays they are weak from what, and always they are ill, and nobody take care of him. They are thinking she's wrong. Why she was living in a joint family, and I have also seen in a 2 or 3 years, those grooms or bride, those newly married couple, they are come their home, and after that 1 or 2 months they are separate their own family, and they are very happy. They enjoy their life and fulfill all the wishes they want to do in their life.
Mostly people don't separate from their family, and new bridegrooms about you talking, they are not separating from their family. They are doing jobs in city, so they'll go from jobs on city, not separating their family. In holiday, in summer vacation, they come to their family and meet them, and they feel very comfortable in joint family.
No.
And if you have any problem, just like many patients are in a joint family, and there are no one in separate family who take care of you. If you have no one, you are living in a separate family, then you cannot take care of about you. But if you live in joint family, if don't the members care with you, then also they care with you on if you fall ill.
No, I have seen
And in a joint family, there are so many members. So if not all care of you, then one or two will be also care of you.
No. I think you are wrong, because I have seen in also many joint family, and when there was ill, nobody take care of him. But in also separate family, all body give a respect, and especially their relatives are give a respect, and they have a money. That's why they kept the nurses to take care of him, and
But you are not talking about right, because nurse don't care about like our familiar. Nurse only do complete her duty, not doing so much like care, like cooking food, many type of her dislike likes. Another
if you have an accident, then how can you say that we want to eat many type of veg, you only take care
but
him,
nurse-
and you talking about emotional support that give their family, their wife and their children, that is enough for an accident person.
But there are so many joint family. They have uncle, brother, a sister, mother, less like grandmother, a grandfather, and these emotions is also very important for our life.
No, no, no. I think you are wrong. In we have a grandfather, but they doesn't like me, and they think his family is very bad. Always
You-
taunted me and my family.